Have you ever found yourself in a tech pickle with no one to turn to? It's a familiar scenario, right? Picture this. It's the middle of the night and your server's on the fritz, or maybe it's a Sunday afternoon, and your home office system has decided to go on a vacation. It's moments like these when you realize the true value of round-the-clock support. Imagine a service that's like a friend who's always there, ready to help. Be it the wee hours of the morning or the twilight of the evening, this service is your constant companion, your tech whisperer. A service that doesn't clock out, doesn't take weekends off. A service that's there for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's not just about fixing what's broken, it's about having the peace of mind, knowing that you're never alone in your tech journey. Well, you never have to feel stranded again, because we are here to be your lifeline. Wondering what we bring to the table? Let's dive right in. First up, we've got technical support. Imagine you've got a gadget that's throwing a tantrum. Our team is on standby, ready to swoop in and save the day. No problem is too big or too small for us. Next, we have our CCTV services. Picture this. Eyes in the sky, watching over your property, ensuring your peace of mind. We provide top-notch surveillance solutions tailored to your needs. Moving on to B2B consulting. Think of us as your trusted ally, providing expert guidance to help your business thrive in the digital landscape. We're here to navigate the tech world with you. Firewalls, you ask? Consider them your digital fortress, standing guard against cyber threats. We help to build and maintain these protective barriers to keep your data safe. Our server and network administration services ensure that your digital infrastructure runs like a well-oiled machine. We're the wizards behind the curtain, keeping things ticking along smoothly. Web design and construction with e-commerce support? That's our jam too. We build sleek, user-friendly websites equipped with e-commerce capabilities, helping your business shine online. Databases are the backbone of your information system. We help design, implement, and manage these vital structures, ensuring your data is organized, accessible, and secure. And finally, home office support. In this era of remote work, we provide the tech support you need to keep your home office running flawlessly. That's quite a list, isn't it? And guess what? We're just getting started. So, you've heard about our services, but how about experiencing them? We're here round the clock, ready to offer you the technical support you need, be it for your CCTV, firewall, or even your home office. Our team is dedicated to ensuring your tech runs smoothly. Need a website with e-commerce support? We've got you covered. And our B2B consulting? Top-notch. Don't just hang around. Reach out to us and let us take care of you. Your tech troubles are about to become a thing of the past. Welcome to the future.